Hey guys, Tan here. Let's talk about a game changer in men's style. The pocket square. It's a simple accessory, but trust me, it can elevate your entire look. Think of it as the finishing touch, the cherry on top. It shows you care about the details, and that, my friends, is what makes a statement. A well-chosen pocket square adds a pop of colour, a touch of personality. It shows you've put thought into your outfit. Whether you're dressing for a wedding, a job interview, or just a night out, a pocket square can make you stand out from the crowd. Don't be intimidated. Folding a pocket square is easier than you think. There are tons of different folds, from simple to elaborate. We'll start with the basics and work our way up. So, are you ready to up your style game? Let's get folding. Get. First up, we have the classic fold. This one is your go-to, your trusty sidekick. It's clean, simple, and elegant. Perfect for any occasion, from a business meeting to a formal event. Here's how you do it. Lay your square flat. Fold it in half vertically. Then, fold it in half horizontally. Make sure all the edges are aligned. Now, fold one side up diagonally. The top edge should be slightly below the top edge of the other side. Tuck it into your pocket and voila, you're looking sharp. The classic fold is all about sophistication. It's not meant to be flashy, but it makes a subtle statement. Think of it as the James Bond of pocket square folds. Timeless and always in style. Ready for something a little more interesting? Let's try the one-point fold. This fold adds a touch of visual interest without being too over the top. It's perfect for adding a pop of colour or pattern to your outfit. Start by laying your pocket square flat. Then, fold it in half diagonally, creating a triangle. Bring one corner up to meet the opposite corner, forming a smaller triangle. Tuck the bottom corners behind the top corner. Adjust the point so it sits nicely in your pocket. The one-point fold is super versatile. It works with pretty much any fabric, from linen to silk. And don't be afraid to play with colour. Try a bold pocket square with a neutral suit, or vice versa. Section 4. Double the points, double the style. The two-point fold. Want to take it up another notch? The two-point fold is your new best friend. It's similar to the one-point, but with, you guessed it, 2 points instead of 1. This fold adds a bit more flair and dimension to your look. Lay your pocket square flat. Fold it in half diagonally. Now, instead of bringing one corner up, bring both bottom corners up to meet the top corner. Adjust the points so they are even. Tuck in the bottom corners and you're good to go. The two-point fold is perfect for when you want to make a statement. It's a bit more eye-catching than the classic or one-point, but still polished and sophisticated. Section 5. Effortless elegance. The puff fold. Let's switch gears and talk about the puff fold. This one is all about casual elegance. It's super easy to do and adds a touch of nonchalant sophistication to your outfit. Start with your pocket square flat. Pinch the center of the square with your fingers. Pick it up and let the fabric drape naturally. Then, simply tuck it into your pocket, allowing the puff to peek out. The key to the puff fold is to make it look effortless. Don't overthink it. The beauty of this fold is its simplicity. It's perfect for linen or cotton pocket squares, and it works well with more casual outfits.